Hey guys, Mo Morales here in the wee hours of the morning. This is my current view. So, running the GoPro 9 with the Rode Wireless Go 2s and the X-T4 with the 16mm f1.4 as well as the kit lens 1855 f2.824. Now that you're all caught up, let's see what I can capture before the sun gets up. Another note for those who are trying to get out early in the morning and capture some beautifulness, do yourself a favor, plan accordingly. Don't leave last minute errands for the morning because it eats away at your precious daylight. Right back, I'm gonna take some photos real quick. All right guys, so I'm on the Fuji X-T4 using the loud car 18 to 55 millimeter here in Hoboken. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. People out here running, enjoying it, walking their dogs, having a great time. Yeah, I'm probably overexposed and out of focus, but that's the game I play. I'm reckless. I'll watch videos on how to work the X-T4 for video better, and it'll get better. But this is a progress, a journey that we're on together. So enjoy it while it's still bad, because then when it gets good and I'm world famous and I forget about all you people. Kidding. All right, we'll talk later. This is Cornelius Buckworth, aka Pigeon Extraordinaire, with his posse. You know, I went from 1 to 2 to now 3. And Little Sparrow joined the party. 2 sparrows joined the party. I feel like a fat Cinderella, or Snow White, I should say. Something about how birds walk. It's hilarious. You know, birds are actually dinosaurs. They're what's left. See how wonderfully lit I am? GoPro 9, gotta love it. But it could be my fault. I might have it set on the wrong settings. So let me turn this way so you can see me better. Hold on, I need the lens here. Had some kind of greasy light sheen on it off of the lights in the back here. See there? So out here capturing what I wanted, which was the silhouette of the city. And you know, that's exactly what I was looking for. So I didn't want the sunrise today. I wanted the city to be the hero. In case you're wondering why I'm not using a tripod. I went all Boston on you. In case you're wondering why I'm not using a tripod, is I can't find my tripod. And I sold my secondary tripod because I didn't need 2. And this is exactly why you should always have redundancies. Because I would have loved to have put this on a timer on my tripod, but when you can't find something, you can't do anything about it, right? So it is what it is, in the words of Jerry Davis. Don't ask. So you can see me. I would tell you the side note of what's happened. The more I use the Fuji X-T4, is it makes me not like the Sony A7C's body design more. Like the way the grip works. I just don't like I never liked how it felt in my hands But based that I was using it for street photography, it was okay. You dealt with it. But holding a normal body again on the X-T4 has made me realize, maybe I need to go back to the A7 III for its more ergonomically designed body. It has more of that old lightweight DSLR feel, as well as it doesn't, feel tighter on the lens grip, which the A7C does. So it makes it kind of not awkward to hold, just not fun to use. The Fuji A7, that's a combination right there. The Fuji X-T4 just reminded me how much a good ergonomic grip is essential for photography. If you think you're lonely now, wait until tonight, girl. Had to bring you into the car. A video isn't a video unless I'm in the car, right? I'm kidding. Please don't get used to the car. I just wanted to sing to you, that's all. I'm a weirdo. I think you guys know that by now. All right, we'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Be good. Reach over like an old man and turn things off.